Welcome back to Shibkai, everyone. Shiba Inu CEO Shitoshi just gave an important statement to Shib holders explaining the mama coin Shiba Inu did not have a good year in 2022. The crypto winter caused its price to plummet early in the year. Nevertheless, the Shiba Inu team persisted in creating the ecosystem, which might prove to be the cryptocurrency's savior in 2023. One of the first noteworthy advancements for Shib in 2022 was the Shiba Inu metaverse. The introduction of Doggy DAO in February of last year came next. This video will provide an explanation of Shiba Inu CEO Shitoshi's urgent message to Shib holders. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to give the channel a thumbs up and subscribe. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Despite the decline in price, Shib maintained its popularity throughout 2022 because of the excitement these occurrences generated in the cryptocurrency community. However, there was a slight disadvantage when the market recognized that Shib's pricing was largely dependent on whales. In May, the meme coin's MVRV also fell to its lowest level of 2022. The daily profit from Shib's on-chain transactions increased 3 times in February, June, and October of 2022. Similar patterns were seen in the quantity of daily addresses, which peaked in the same months. As Ethereum whales seize enormous Shiba Inu coins, the price of Shiba Inus increases. The community anticipates a significant increase in Shib burn and chain utility in 2023, even as core developers Satoshi, Kusama, and Trophias and the Shiba Inu ecosystem tease the upcoming launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. On January 3, a burn tracker tweeted about yet another significant increase in the burn rate of Shiba Inu tokens. In the past 24 hours, 18,239,090 Shib tokens have been burned. The Shib burn to remove Shiba Inu tokens from circulation increased dramatically as a result of 11 transactions. The Shib burn website reports that within the past several days, there has been a significant increase in both the burn rate and the number of transactions. 13 transactions totaling 159,411,895 Shib tokens were burned on January 2. The burn rate increased by 13,198% on New Year's Eve when an address sent 29,729,039 Shib tokens to the burn. The address. In anticipation of the planned debut of Shibarium in early 2023, whales are returning. In the past 24 hours, the enigmatic address has once more transmitted 73,996,550 Shib tokens to the burn address. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is the one that Ethereum whales buy the most, according to data from Whale Stats. Additionally, among the top Ethereum whales during the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu has once again been the most used smart contract. Therefore, the development and whale activity have been rising for Shiba Inu in the last few days. Due to the impending debut of Shibarium, the price of Shiba Inu coins has increased in recent days. The Shib price is currently trading at 0.82, up nearly 2% in the last 24 hours. The 24-hour high is 0.8236, and the 24-hour low is 0.8129. At tilted $0.89, the Shibarium gas token Bone is now trading at 6%. The 24-hour low and high are 0.85, and one correspondingly one-kind member of the Shiba Inu community went one step farther and launched a social networking site as the Shib Army waited for Shibarium. The Shib Army VIP social network was started by the member known as Shib Dream. Any registered user can follow the most well-known Shib community members, follow hashtags, and even search for job openings thanks to the user-friendly layout. What if, following the apps, we decide to move everything to Shibarium and then later expand Shibi to include the metaverse? Yes, anyone can join, but keep in mind that it was created for and by the Shib Army, so there can be no promotion of other coins or tokens, no false advertising, and no unlawful activity. Dream of Shib Army social media for Shiba Inu news at On December 28th, 2022, Shib, a decentralized financial startup called Shiba Inu Finance, enables its users to earn more cryptocurrency because DeFi apps are permissionless and trustless. Anyone with a compatible wallet can communicate with them without the assistance of a reliable intermediary. Through smart contracts and a variety of investing options, Shiba Inu Finance offers its users a simple, safe, and decentralized way to earn a return on their cryptocurrency capital. In the DeFi ecosystem, Shiba Inu Finance automatically optimizes user rewards from several liquidity pools as well as additional yield farming and staking options. Users who meet the requirements can get up to 100% cash back on their trading fees when they swap. According to billionaire investor Mark Cuban, DeFi is one of the sectors that could grow rapidly over the next 10 years, along with nanotechnology, green technology, and other emerging technology classes. The developers and producers of Shiba Inu Finance are inspired by that saying. Based on the Binance Smart Chain BSC network, Shiba Inu Finance seeks to establish a new financial ecosystem that unifies the existing DeFi landscape. The initiative gains widespread user adoption of cryptocurrency. The goal of Shiba Inu Finance is to give users the opportunity to generate high-risk adjusted returns by offering extremely safe yield enhancement products for stablecoins and altcoins. Along with its increasing number of wallet addresses, Shiba Inu maintains a remarkable burn rate. The red, short, and long-term charts continue to be a glaring indication of the lack of investor confidence. Shiba Inu's price remained negative after its double triumph, down 2.661% to 0.88 in the most recent charts. Shiba Inu is down 4.1% in the 7-day charts for a total loss of 73.75% this year. The meme coin failed to give us a decent show throughout the 12 months of 2022, recording a cycle bottom of practically zero value in June. Shiba Inus have recently garnered attention due to their increasing technical and fundamental advancements. Shiba Inu's ownership structure has recently reached a significant turning point. This is because the majority of network holders appear to be serious investors, as indicated by the long-term Shib owners percentage above the critical 60% threshold. The bulk of Shiba Inu holders are long-term investors who have kept their Shib tokens for at least a year, according to research done by the crypto analysis portal Into the Block. Based on the information that is currently available, Shib has achieved remarkable progress in this area since the year started. At that time, the ratio of owners rose from a pitiful 1% to an astounding 60%. 60% of Shib holders have held their tokens for more than a year, according to the data, which also shows the composition of holders. 4% and 36% respectively have had them for less than a month and less than a year. As a result of the unfavorable market conditions that have persisted since the beginning of 2022, massive whale accumulation has been observed regarding the Shib cryptocurrency. According to data provided by Whale Stats, the utility of the Shiba Inu among whales has increased significantly in the previous 24 hours. The meme cryptocurrency has now made it into the top 10 tokens bought by the 2,000 biggest Ethereum whales in the market. According to the statistics, Shib was previously one of the top smart contracts that received the most engagement from the top 100 whales. The price of Shib surged to a new all-time high in October 2021. However, the altcoins value fell by more than 70% as a result of the poor macro environment and the volatility in the domestic cryptocurrency market. After the fundamentally sound improvements, the Shiba Inu community is anticipating a relief rally for the price of the Shib in the upcoming year. As of this now, the price of Shiba Inus is trading at 8,029. According to cryptocurrency market tracker CoinMarketCap, this indicates a 0.34% daily fall and a 3% weekly decline, giving it enormous potential to become one of the most valuable coins in existence during the next bull market. Although the coin is currently primarily driven by excitement, Many analysts think that if it continues to be as successful as it has been since debut, this could be sufficient to cause it to soar during the next cryptocurrency bull run. That concludes today. Remember to give it a huge thumbs up. To view our most recent content, please share and subscribe to the channel.